Okay, so in this video, we will create and customize our links. The links are the important part of any website or web page. And a link links the one web page to another one. And in my web page, just take a look at the text at the bottom of the page. And take a look at the text here. And this text looks like some kind of address. And I want to make it a link, and when someone click on that link, then that person will be taken to a map of the same address. So for this, I'm gonna open the browser and then just type this address to get the specific URL of that address. So I'm gonna copy it. I'm just right click on it and selecting the copy, and then I'm going to the browser. Just open the browser. Okay, so here I am in my browser. So I'm gonna paste that text in my search area, and then here you can see the map of that address. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this map to see a full web page of this map. Okay, so here you can see the map of that address. And take a look at the link bar, and this is the link of this web page. So I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna minimize my browser. Okay, so as I have copied that link, and I'm gonna select this text, and for this specific text I'm gonna make this link. Now take a look at the properties tab, and make sure the HTML tab has been selected in the properties panel. And in the properties panel, come to the link bar and then just right click on it and then just choose the paste, and then just hit the return key, and here you can see that the color of the text has been changed, and now it is indicating that it is a link. So also take a look at this text at collinsdesign@gmail.com. So this is an email, and I also want this text to be a link of that email. Means when someone click on this text, and that person will be taken to his default email application. So I'm gonna select this text, and in the link bar I'm gonna type here mail to, and then colon, and then type here the original email address. Look at the text. I have changed the text, like I have changed the add symbol to an add text and the dot into a dot word. This is just to prevent the spamming on the internet. But in the link bar, you have to enter the right email address. So I'm gonna write here the original email, like collinsdesign@gmail.com. And take a look at the more options here. You can choose the file linking to this text, but I am gonna select the email. So okay, so I have done. Just hit the return key and look at the text, and its color has also been changed. Okay, so at this stage I also want to show you the great option in the Dreamweaver, and that is the live view. Okay, so take a look at this area, and here is a live view. A live view is just the view which is same as in the browser. It means you do not need every time to view this web page in a browser. So I'm going to view this page in a live view, but before that I'm gonna save this page. So I'm gonna select the file and save this web page, and I'm gonna select the live view. Okay, so here you can see the web page in the live view, and you can also see the text here which we have created into link, and the color of the text has been changed. Okay, so as we have created link, now it's time to customize our links, means to change the color of our links. So I'm gonna close the live view, just clicking on the live button, and in the properties panel just click on the page properties, and in the page properties clicking on the link options, and here you can see the options of the link. You can change the font and the size of the link, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to change the color of the link. So in the link color, I'm going to select the red color, and the next option is the rollover links color, and I want this to be the white color, so I have selected that. And the next option is the visited link. The visited link is that link which has been visited. It means that someone has already clicked and viewed that page. I'm also going to change this color to be the darker red. And the next option is the active links, and I'm going to change the color of the active link to be some darker yellow. The active links color is the color of the link. When someone click on that, the color of that link changes. Okay, so I have made some changes. I'm gonna apply it. And the next option is the underline style. So I want the link to be underlined when it is rollovered. Okay, selecting that, I'm gonna hit the apply and okay. So I'm gonna watch this page in live view, and here you can see the color of the links has been changed. Okay, let's check it. And as I am rolling over my mouse to it, and look at that, the color of the link has been changed, and the same is for the address link. Okay, so let's preview this page in the browser. I'm gonna select the Firefox, and here you can see our web page and also the links which we have created. Look at the colors are being changed, and if I select it, look at the link selecting color, it's working. And now let's check the email link. If I click on it, and it will ask me that how would you like to process this section. You can select the mail, Microsoft Office, Outlook, and if I select the Microsoft Office Outlook, and then it will open up and just write some subject and then send it. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, and then let's check out the address link. If I click on it, and then here you can see that the map address has been opened. Another option in the Dreamweaver I want to show you is the link target. Let's take a look at this address link. I'm gonna select it, and then here you can see the link address, and look at the target box, and here you can more customize your link. If you want to open that link in another tab, just select the blank target. Okay, so I'm gonna selecting it, I'm gonna saving it, and then previewing this web page in Firefox, and let's come to the link. If I click on this link, this will open in a new blank tab, and here you can see that the map of that specific address has been opened, which is great. Okay, so in this video we just created our links and customized these links, which is very easy in Adobe Dreamweaver. So let's move on to the next video.